The stars may fall, the skies may fade, but not the vow that my heart made.
Through every trial, through every storm, I'll keep on loving you more and more.
I will love you like never before, a love that will live beyond heaven's door. I will love you when mountains crumble. My love for you will never stumble.
Time may steal the color from our hair,
but I'll still see the beauty there.
When the night grows long and the stars grow dim,
I'll hold your hand and whisper again. I will love you like never before, a love that will live beyond heaven's door. I will love you when mountains crumble. My love for you will never stumble. Through the ashes,
through the flame,
through every joy,
through every pain,
when the wind calls my name in the final breath,
I'll still be loving you beyond death. I promise to love you with my last breath. My love for you will have no death.
I will love you like never before, a love that will live beyond heaven's door.